Hi there! In this short video, I'll take you through several examples of WalkMe for SAP Ariba, but please know that WalkMe embeds seamlessly into any Ariba module, as well as any SAP or non-SAP web application. WalkMe is an overlay designed to support organizations through change management initiatives, improve process compliance, drive productivity, and ensure continuous adoption of technology. Let's begin with a change management scenario in guided buying. Imagine you've just rolled out Ariba guided buying to a large user base. As a new user logs in, the first thing they encounter is an in-application pop-up powered by WalkMe. This pop-up tells them that help is available in the application right away. WalkMe can then take a user through an introductory tour or offer quick but relevant actions, like walking through a purchase process. We'll choose to make a purchase. Immediately, WalkMe launches us into step-by-step guidance through the entire task with no prior training needed. That's the beauty of the WalkMe overlay. It's like having a digital super user that guides every click and makes you productive in the app within seconds. Another benefit is that WalkMe empowers organizations to create these experiences with no coding. As the user proceeds, WalkMe offers them choices. For example, once the item is selected, the user might choose to check out or keep shopping. WalkMe then tailors the next steps based on user input, ensuring that regardless of their chosen path, the user receives help that's relevant to their needs. This is a great example of how WalkMe boosts first-time productivity and provides contextual help, accelerating time to proficiency and reducing the friction associated with using a new tool. But not every user will follow the ideal path. Let's say a user tries to bypass catalog items and make a non-catalog purchase, something many companies try to reduce in order to optimize their spend. Here, WalkMe intervenes proactively. Rather than allowing the user to continue, WalkMe redirects them mid-task with a clear message to select from approved catalog items with pre-negotiated pricing. This is where WalkMe really shines, not just providing user guidance, but encouraging behaviors that are compliant with best practices and reducing risk and errors. Now let's switch to guided sourcing, where we will create a sourcing project. Because users don't create these every day, they're not likely to remember every step. Here, WalkMe offers multiple entry points: a help menu to browse available guidance and embedded resources, or a contextual show me how button that picks up on exactly where the user is in the workflow and activates guidance from the relevant step. Once in the guided workflow, WalkMe engages the user in a variety of ways, starting with data validation. WalkMe recognizes when the user's input does not match the predefined standard and continuously redirects them, therefore ensuring downstream data cleanliness. In this next example, WalkMe intervenes with the user when they attempt to make the wrong choice in the system, educating them of the implications and preventing future rework, wasted time, and frustration. Finally, in addition to the step-by-step, WalkMe can also provide bite-sized, snackable assistance in the form of contextual, just-in-time help for more proficient users. Once again, this improves self-service and accelerates user productivity by reducing the amount of time spent searching for specific answers. In addition to the examples shown before, WalkMe also provides analytics that can help organizations to identify points of friction in their workflows. These analytics will help pinpoint process drop-off points and completion times, therefore not only aligning your WalkMe deployment to metrics and outcomes that are important to you, but also helping you to measure the ROI on your WalkMe investment. Thank you for watching. We look forward to having an in-depth conversation about WalkMe with you.